Cause as I say, I've been hearing the things, But me I say, boy, people look up to you. Remember, me's a human being. Me born to make mistake. Me just, it come like it a drive me crazy. Me need to let it out. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to another video, friends. See the face and hear the voice, I hear John talk. Big up on yourself and enough love for the love scene. I know you see the title and you're wondering and you want to know what's happening. So today, I'm here to discuss just that. So stay tuned, then we make it know wagwan. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of messages asking me what happened to the family, what happened to the vlogs. We miss you. We can't wait for soon again, and I hope everything is okay. How are the kids? How is mommy? How is Alyssa? How are you doing? I mean, a lot of you seen me over on my cooking channel, right? So you know that I am okay, but you don't know what's happening with the family and everything like that. We took a break since I want to say the last video I uploaded was around January, and we're now in the month of May. So February, March, April, May. Four going on 5 months, because it was like the first week of January, and that was from the New York trip that I went to visit my brother over in New York, right? So as I said, a lot of requests have been coming. I see your messages, I hear you. I just can't reply to everybody. You see me, I say, even my mother sometimes she say need to bring back the channel, cause everybody say they miss and they love the vibe and all these good things. You see me I say? And I feel that. I feel the genuine love when I go street. I feel that through the comment section and just my everyday interaction with people and what I have done for them. But as you see in the title, Morris Time Family is no more. Get my forward from, and I know a lot of you may be disappointed by this, but let me explain. As I said before, this is something that I have been teasing, or not just say teasing, but this is something that I've been talking about for months, if not years now, that I want to do with this channel. You see me I say? I know you enjoy the content with the family vlogs and all of that. You see me? But I think my purpose is bigger than me and even the family vlogs. You see me? So as I said before, I'm gonna explain to you, and hopefully me keep your attention throughout this vlog, and then you can make a decision as to what you want to do moving forward. Where can I start? Let's start from the start. You haven't been seeing any videos. You will be seeing videos, but not how you would expect it, right? In December, typically, if you're not new here, you'll know that I normally engage in Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas? Vlogmas is where you share a vlog every day of December up until Christmas, the 25th. And I gave you a vlog January 1st, no, not January, December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way up to the 25th. I think I even did a vlog to the 27th, and then I took some rest. It was very tiring, but once I put my mind to something, I like to see it through to its finish, or see it through to its entirety, right? And so I did Vlogmas. But before I did Vlogmas and before mommy even come to Canada, I think it was last year. I'm gonna say last year, I'm put a date, a timestamp to it. I think it was in 2023. Yeah, in 2023. Last year, I was saying to myself, like, yo, growing up, I have always been the one to seek a lot of information. Get me forward from? And information for me was very vital, and so I never used to got any information that I wanted. And I said to myself, whenever time anybody asks me anything, I'm going to make sure I share it with them and don't keep it for myself, right? So that's why this channel was born. That's not even this channel, Morris Time Cooking was born, because I've always been the one to pick up my phone and go so boom, I always I take picture. To one point I almost got fired from a job because one of the supervisor came around and said, listen, you need to stop taking picture of the food, else, them are gonna let me go type of thing. I'm gonna say, I've always been documenting my journey. So I asked the owner if it's okay if I can take pictures, and they say yes. So you'd have to speak to them about that, because I am not doing nothing wrong. Once I go so boom and plate up my food, I'm gonna take a picture, I'm gonna take a recording, and then I'm gonna put on my phone and I'm gonna wash my hand. This is something I've been practicing from ever since. And where did the love for taking pictures come about, you may ask? Okay, I got you. Growing up, we never own a camera, phone, none of that stuff, right? So I hardly have any pictures of myself. Needless to say, my father. You see me I say? My father passed when I was 13 years old, and up to this day, if I should show Jamir, my kids, them, a picture of their grandfather, they can't make out who he is as a person. So I have to pass on his legacy by just telling them about his character. Get him forward from? So that's where the love of taking pictures and memories came about for me. I just didn't want to be like my father. You just come on the earth, you're gone, and if only who came in contact with you would know what you look like and nothing. Somebody say, no man. Yes, some people might say picture this, picture that, but trust me, it's a moment in time you're capturing, and 20 years in line, you look back upon it and say, whoa, this is how I look, this is what I used to do. So pictures for me were very important, and that's how it came about. It didn't came about starting cooking with vlogging, no. As soon as I got my hand on the first camera, I start take picture. Matter of fact, the first camera I ever put my hand on was an ex of mine got a camera from overseas and just lend me every now and again and would take pictures. You see me? Until I go into my first phone. My first phone was a Sony Ericsson phone where you have to attach your camera to the bottom of it and you take pictures and stuff like that. And so over the years, I used to store my pictures in on CD for those who know what CDs are. You see, my second, I don't know, everything's stored to the cloud nowadays and them thing there, but I have stacks of CDs with pictures and videos I'm record from back in a 2000 and what I want to say 7, 8, them the time that I started getting exposed to cameras. Because as I say, grow up poor, you know, can't buy camera and them thing there. And I got one or two pictures of myself with somebody went to a family friend house overseas and took a picture and sent it to me. I said, wow, me this? So I was so excited to see myself as a child, you see me? So I made sure when I started having kids, me take picture of them till then tired. Sometimes Jamie breaks me say, oh, take a picture. You know I take no picture. Get me I say, but me I go forever take them because these are memories that I cherish. You see me? So that's where the love came about. And obviously, cooking was birthed out of it, which is now my career, and the YouTube, that is, because I've been a cook without YouTube, but the YouTube was birthed from that because I'm a love for taking pictures and videos. Me naturally just merge over into YouTube, and then persons who used to suggest to me, yo, we love your vibe in the kitchen, we want to see you outside of the kitchen. And so vlogging came 1 year after cooking. I started doing the cooking channel in 2017 February, and then 2018 is when I started this channel, and the channel was called Gump TV. For those who have been my day one subscribers, you'd know I just used to upload pictures of my videos of myself, like a 1 minute video with Jamir and so forth. Alyssa never wanted to be on camera for the longest time. She didn't come on camera until about 4 years later. I get my forward from. So the channel was called Gump TV. That's GAA. Matter of fact, I'm showing you what. Go on, hold on there. See it there? Me have a tattoo for me, you know. Yeah, man. See it there? You're not really sure about see it there? It's tattooed on me. Gump. So GAAMP. I'm gonna take a picture and probably put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I tattooed this on me a few years ago. I have a hat when Jamir was born. I have a hat with the whole Gump. And what is Gump, you may ask? So Gump, they don't know, I'm a very religious person. So God for the G, Ah, and the other spell AH, Adrian Morris Provider slash Protector. That's how the whole Gump name came about. I used to give myself alias growing up. You know, everybody used to have their like a nickname. You see me, but for those who know me, you know, so then I go by the name Chuxi. That's what most people call me growing up on them things. You see what I say? Until me start give myself. Me used to do me like a DJ and my bridging them and used to call me Nemesis. But you don't know Nemesis is enemy and things like that. And it's so funny that the person used to call me Nemesis and know me Nemesis. Yes, me I say. But you live and you learn. But as I'm saying is, what I'm saying is like the channel was called Gump TV. So everything I try to put God in that. You see what I say? So God Agent Morris Provider slash Protector, and you have Gump TV. So that's what I originally named this channel, Gump TV. So as I say, my day one people know that the watermarks are there to show that. See? Then, you know, me never been so very inconsistent. Only me used to go to Jamaica, me used to put up when me had the travel vlogs here and there and stuff like that, right? Then I changed the name from Gump TV to Morris Time TV because I wanted to associate it with the cooking channel. So from people see it, I mean, I don't want to have too much name for you confuse people. So I switch it from Gump TV to Morris Time TV. You see me? Because you have Morris Time cooking, then you have Morris Time TV. And then now, me do that for your next probably 2 or so years. As I say, I was very inconsistent with the channel. Sometimes I'll throw up horizontal, vertical videos here and there, not having any sole direction as where to take the channel. I was just used to upload videos here and there. Then after COVID now, I think it was during COVID after Ajar in 2022, I would say, or 2021, late 2021. I decided that, hey, I want to change the channel to Morris Time Family. I never want to call it Morris Time TV or anything like that. You see me? I say, I'm going to try it because at this point now, Alyssa used to be comfortable coming on camera and stuff like that. But I realized the vlogging is just not for her. You get to my forward from? She would come in, she would do the vlogs here and there, but should not invest it. This is something. This is me. Me love the camera. You see me, I say me love the picture. This is just my a part of my identity. You get me on forward from? And during these vlogs, I'd always be dropping the patois. I don't know what I mean, In these vlogs, I'd always be dropping in some gems. And what I found over the years, that these gems would go unnoticed. If you check out the channel, I have playlists on how to become a Canadian citizen, where to go to get all these documentations. I show you a process of me becoming a citizen here in Canada, helping out my friend Mr. Ray, other people, getting my forward from. Me showing you how the process to get a car, stuff like that. But many a times I'd even give you very positive speeches here and there and drop them in vlogs. But what I realized with vlogs over the years, all this vital information become lost. Why, you may ask? Because vlog is like fast food. You see me? Vlog is you eat it, you pass it out and you forget about it. You see me? I don't want no fast food. I want soul food. And that's what I want to share with you. I have too much in me for share. And as I say, this is what I love. You see me? Me now be too one do a 9 to 5. I've always been the type of person I like do my own thing. I don't like to be told what to do. Is it a bad thing, Adrian? Is it a good thing? Who knows? But that is who I am. I cannot fight who I am. I have to be who I am. You see me? So knowing who I am from an early age, I know how to navigate my life. Hence why I've been blessed with the success and the direction in my life. Many people are adults in their late 20s, late 30s, and they still don't have a direction as to who they are and what they want to do. Fortunately for me, and I'm not bragging, I've always known who I was as a young youth. That's why I'm not confused for my journey. Yes, here and there I try to move away from the path, but just like what them say, grow a child in the way that you want them and they will never depart. You get me forward from? So because I always know who I was from a teenager, I always love cooking. How my mother used to say. Because in my mother's eyes, the other day my mommy are in my mother's eyes, cooking wasn't it. Success was working in a bank, being a teacher, lawyer, doctor, etc. Once you have on jacket and tie, you have on some form of uniform. Our parents saw success as just that. But me, I dared to defy the odds because I say, guess what? Me no love mechanic work. Big up to every mechanic. And when they hear me say me no love something, this is no disrespect to it. It's me I say, me no love mechanic work. I mean, a boy, me love when my fingernail them look clean. Am I soft? No. You know what I mean? See a soft youth when they want to look nice and clean, you see me? Me even like grow me hair sometimes certain way, even though probably I go try growing it, cause me see the hairline come like you want to push back and I want to have at least have a picture of video for say, yo, you know what I mean? The kid back in the days. Yeah man, more want to have something like that. So I go attempt to grow the ear one of them time. Yeah. You see me? But me as a boy, I'm not like have my ear too tall. Reason being, as it start grow, so if me get a line up and if nothing now go on for me and the sun hot, I just feel like a cruff. That's why I don't smoke like that. You see me I say? I used to when I was younger, but I don't smoke on them things because when me I smoke, me not have no money. The hair raga. Personally, me not speak for nobody. Me feel worthless. I'm gonna like that, so that's why I'm like stay nice and clean. They say, if you look good, you feel good and you do good, and that's my motto over the years. People always say, boy, you can't cut here so often because I feel good. I feel good, me look good. And me look good, me do good. It's my so me cut me here, me look good, me feel good, and then me do good. That's just how me perform in my life, you see me? So with that said, as I said before, like I've always been dropping it. I digress because I just go off a while ago. I drop some gems in the vlogs, but they go unnoticed. Why? Because vlogs are like fast food. You upload a vlog, your viewers watch it one time and it just gone. I've uploaded cooking videos like 7 years ago, I start YouTube, and up to today, they then still I get views. So people are still finding these things useful. Whereas a vlog, you upload something, nobody not interested in that no more, and that's not the sole thing. I don't just want to show you a lifestyle, I want to teach, because it go back to the first point that I made, that growing up, I never used to get the information that I wanted. You see me I say? And I now call out no specific family member or your name, but just know it's like uncle. Remember, I'm look for one of my uncle. Me not go call a name because this is not a beef and me not have you up. Mommy say, and who shit a road, remember who teppy night. And for my international friends, what that simply means, I'm going to add something to it first. And who shit a road remember it, or who teppy night. And me say, only way I go remember it unless it was diarrhea and you're embarrassed. That's the only way I go remember. But for my international friends, to break that down for you, when they say I know who shit a road remember it or who step in it, it's not who did the deed that remembers, but who the deed was done to that remembers. You know what I say? So I remember I went to one of my uncle, my young, and I say, how much for that? I must say a whole heap of money, man. And honestly, as a little 11, 10-year-old, I felt discouraged. Like me can't afford it. Had my uncle say, you know what? A $1,000, 100,000, 1 million. Then in my head now, I can say, okay, me see $1, $2, $3, I can reach that. When they say whole heap of money as a little youth, what is that? You know, no. So it just discouraged me over the years, and I feel like I couldn't attain these things because I ask the question, but you don't get a straight answer. And so I dedicated myself. Mommy said many a times, say, yo, you talk, you tell too much of your thing, but how much of what I am telling? Me not tell a person say me have $1 in my account, or me be this man and I me take out sitting in front of me toenail. No. Me I give you some information, because as much as how you're living your life and feel like you're the only one experiencing the experience, trust me, my friend. We're all the same, just living in different places and doing it at different times. But we all experience the same, if not everything the same. Maybe in a different way, but we're all the same. Somebody get licked, so blood of Jesus. But yeah, so information for me has always been vital, and a lot of person come to me and say, "Oh, they love the positivity." This is not me putting on a face. You see, me so long as I make a chat, this has always been me. So I feel a way I'm put these vital informations in the vlogs and then go last. Yeah, John, you can do vlogs same way, man. Nah, so me nah go no vlogs here and there, you know. But moving forward, I want to create an audience who understand what the channel is about and where it's heading. You know, you're gonna be getting a lot of educational content. Anything I experience in my life, more have to come share to you, more have to learn from you just the same. Because we know say anybody will stop learning, basically stop living. So I'm not too old for learn. Me don't know everything. More have to learn from my audience, more have to create a community where I can learn from, and more have to teach as well. You get what I say? So that's the whole concept of the channel. Vlogs only make up me realize some of the Canada people now watch vlogs. Them as I say, these vital informations are being lost. Only me go Jamaica, me vlog here and there, and me don't want to say, oh, see me get one new car, yeah. And then me not teach you how you can attain one. Me don't want to come and show you what me have. Me want to teach you how to reach here and even a bigger place in your life just the same. That's it. Me not go come and take picture and show you. So come and food look nice, and you say, so you can't show me if you cook, and I say, nah, man. But instead, what did I do? I created a YouTube channel teaching you how I cook, and people reach out to me. The greatest feeling say, Chef, you make me open my own catering business. Have I ever owned a restaurant? No, but I can tell you, say many people own a restaurant watch my channel because they tell me. Many people open restaurant based off of my channel. Probably the opening a restaurant is not my immediate goal right now, but at least we can help somebody. Someone commented once and say, stop share your recipe with them because them are going to get rich off it. So what? Get rich because somebody teach me. If we all should think like that, we are going to reach in our life. I want to teach people and I want to learn. There's nothing to me like when I want to learn something and you try to keep the knowledge from them. We have you up, man. Give me $1 million right now versus a knowledge we're worth $1 million. I'll take the knowledge that worth $1 million. Because $1 million they can't boast off. So whereas the knowledge can just give me billions. So that's how me live my life. I'm love teach people. I'm love learn. Because as I say, what is life if you're not learning? You're basically dead. It's like a plant. If you're not grow, you're basically dead. You see what I say? Whereas if you have a fruit tree and it not bear no fruit, you got to chop it down because it not fulfill its purpose. My purpose I fi just teach and just make my thing live on. Fi change some youth like because enough youth might see me on the YouTube, me look clean, but then I understand where I fall from, and this is my duty. I want to teach, and not just the youths. Because I'm not going to sit down and say, like, oh, I'm all for the youths. I am, yes. But the first youth that I'm for are my kids, because they are my sole and first responsibility. So, me no want nobody to project on them. I just influence them. I want them learn through me. And how me can do that? I not go there on them 24/7. So, these cooking videos, these vlogs, these informational videos, teaching them how to be a better man, just how to navigate life. So, may I teach the world, but this is also my diary to my sons and future children. You get where I'm forward from? And future generations. So, that's just how I want to do my thing. And just putting it directly to a family vlog, yes, it limits me. Me don't know. You may say, oh, you can still do the vlog and dating. The decision has already been made. I'm gonna love the people for just say, you know what, we respect it, we see where you go with this. We wish you the best. That's all I need. But you saying, oh, we love your family, bring back. No, I can't live my life so. Based off of what people want me to do. I'll take suggestions, but me I go pick from you and make the final decision. And the decision has been made. The channel is no longer called Morris Time Family. As you will look down below, and the new intro coming out the channel will be called Adrian Morris. Simply that. Adrian Morris. You get me forward from? And as I said, you will see the family here and there, but not every day. Channel is not going to be about vlogging only. More of it, as I say, more of it teach. I feel like I have so much to teach. But when you try to do the teaching and I know how vlog people I see, they don't want to see that. So the algorithm push away that video there and that not reach the people you want to reach. You see me? Vlogs drop in here and there. Do I care if the vlogs get views like that? Really and truly, no. If they get views, it's okay. More on the information to go through to the people because I have a purpose and more fulfill it. Sometimes I have so much great ideas and I want to share. Just a regular quick topic you come to me that I know so people can benefit from. But if you put it out there, not even not 1,000 people now look funny. And before you go ahead, me know the questions are being asked long time and I ask right now. So is the family still together? When you break up? No, my family good. We're good. You see me, I say the kids good, mommy good, Alice are good, me good, my brother them good, everybody good. This is not a no decision when we get up and just make based off of my emotions. No. I made a video when we get a bank card at Jamaica or a credit card. And I say, listen, I gotta do less flags. If I can screen record and put it here, phone, you know what? I go now a little bit right here. I'm going to transform this channel now into a very education. So I educate people how to cook for my cooking channel. I need to do this on this channel here. There. So when I get that, I've been telling you this over the years. So that's where the channel is going. But you know what? I say, you know what? I say, I'm going to give this one more run. And that was in December. You see me? I say, I'm going to give that channel a one more run and see what I go on. And me realize me have to start title the thing them away, and that's just not me as a person. Get my forward from me have to title it a certain way for people click and me not depend on something. Me get suggestion people say you can't title, you have to change the title man, make you get more clicks, and me start change the title and if you write a title it just not sit well with me because I believe. So the words where you say can become a reality. And if I say something at the title, that is dangerous. It can become a reality, and I don't want that. Get me forward from. Hold on. Before we go any further, we're going to take a walk. I'm showing you this beautiful park. Go drop on the hat, because you don't know a thing go. Sun a beat outside, man. I'm going to view what I see right now. Over here, so they come do a photo shoot for Jazzy, not Jazzy, sorry, for Ajari. They call it Ashawa Garden, you know what I say? But you come over here and doing photo, maternity shoot. Yeah, that is it right there. Beautiful park, man. I'm showing you so we do some photos right here, so. We do some photos over this up on the bridge. And then we do some photos by the waterfall, which is where we're heading right now. So we finish up what I say on the vlog. Yeah man, over here it's very beautiful. Out in a shower. So if you live out in that area, you're looking for a place where you can come and take some nice photos. Trust me, in the summertime, I know, beautiful. This is where I come and do the right thing. You know, I should have turned back, you know, because the battery are dead. And I need to get me battery pack. But let me go show you this real quick before. So, you have benches and them things, you can sit down upon place nice and clean and quiet. The stream over this I run. I'm going to show you the stream. Yeah, man. See stream, yeah. This is the lake. This I run to the lake and them thing, eh? Nice and peaceful, you know. Yeah, so. And what they do when I shoot, right? That's how they do. So for all those who know, man, you don't know the thing, go. Me do vlogs on all of that. You can check out the channel. You see me? Me do vlogs on everything what me do. You see it there? Would you take a photo? Yes, I remember that day the rain did a fall, you know. Yeah, man. See it, I will take photos right there, so. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, me go thing there. Me I go get the battery pack for this thing here. So we can come back because the battery are dead and I want to sit down. I have about 2 hours before I go pick up Jamir. I want to sit down and finish up this recording phone with the realest way. You see me? Outside feel beautiful. I don't even know I miss putting out videos. I miss it, me I tell you. Miss it. This is how I love. I love teaching. I feel like I can't teach. I just feel deprived. You get me I thought from? So yeah. Let me go. Many times, man, the idea then just jump up on me and I tell you, can't put them out. You see me? Because I go just show up video without no explanation as to what I go on. I want to give you a choice. So if you feel like you still want to be a part of the journey, then you have a choice. You're not blindfolding or nothing. You get me? And that is the whole goal behind this thing. I can get this battery pack here. I should have carried one little sweater or something, you know. So yeah, that is the movements behind the channel. I hope that we still retain some subscribers and you just try along the journey because I guarantee you, you're going to have a joy being on this channel. This channel, it has been stagnant in terms of the growth. I can predict this channel just blowing up over time because of the information that will be shared on the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. You see me I say? And if you feel like the change is something that you won't be okay with, I understand. In life, when you're on a certain journey, you won't be able to take everyone with you, and that's fine. But as I said before, the decision has already been made. It was never an emotional one. It was a well thought out one that I have been looking into for a few years now. And I did my best with that side of the channel. Push me 100 night, but as I say, this is what I love. You get me? I just want to just a push. You will see family vlogs here and there. Because I don't know, I love my kids them. I'm not going to hide them away from the world. Neither do I want to just push them on camera. And that's another thing too. Many times me go out and I just want to relax with my kids. I just don't always want to have a camera up in them face. I just want to literally sit, watch them and enjoy them grow. You see me I say? You'll realize I oftentimes say in my vlogs I ask persons, are you okay being on camera? I'm not the one to just push up my camera in your face. No, sometimes I link up with people I don't see for years. I like to have genuine conversations and connections. If you know me in person, you know some is a youth when I love chat. But I don't chat to any and everybody. My spirit have to take you and I have to rate and like you. Or even to the extent love you. If you really sit down and chat with you. You see me? If you see me in a room and I don't talk to somebody, not necessarily means I hate them, but there's just something about you and me when I click. And you can tell somebody, say, oh, them man, they don't talk, man. Whereas somebody when I rate and love or check for, they say that man they can't chat too much. Yeah. You see me, so I love you, because I chat too enough, because I love you. Yeah, man, so and that's the thing there. The channel is no longer called Morris Time Family. I mean, probably when we get the 100,000 play button, I'll put on it Adrian Morris in bracket Morris Time Family because it's a family thing anyway you take it. But if you call it Morris Time Family and then you not see the entire family all the time, I would say it's misleading. Get where I'm forward from? Yeah. And I just want to put this out there so anybody out there watching and just, cause as I say, I've been hearing the things, you know. But me I say, boy, people look up to you. Remember, you know, me's a human being. I'm born to make mistake. If me get angry, when I get angry, you know. But me I say, boy, this is not the age and I know. I say, my mother. I know some is a humble and good youth, you know, but if something trigger me and I get angry, I'm only human. So I want to say this to say, don't just pray me and watch me say positive, because in my life I've done a lot of negative. But the positive don't really outweigh the negative. So don't look for me as this perfect youth where, oh, and get upset, I can't even get. No! Because if you go on my wrong side, a problem, you know. But for the most part, I stay humble and calm, and this is who I am in a real life. You see, me is a natural peacemaker. When I say you are try disrespect a thing, and you know, not talking, then me I go bring fire with fire. But for the most part, I like peace. And that's just why I'm as a person. And that's one of the motive of the channel too. See, me don't want nobody tell my story, me I go tell my own story. Because they can twist, fabricate it and make it how they want to make it. So when they ask about who is Adrian, and me I tell you directly. And me I tell you say, you see, friend, you're my friend, you're my family, loved one, associate, people I love. If I am a friend, I'm a family, I'm a love and check for you. There's nothing too good in this world I'm going to do for you. But you see, as soon as I feel like you take me for either because I'm doing all these things, or you disrespect me, if that cut off, it cut off, and there can never be nothing more from your age, I tell you. Yeah, man. Maybe the type to see you make couple mistakes and we forgive you and we meant it. But my sister, you're not learn and you're like, yeah, disrespect me now and take me for you that I cut you off, you come like you're basically dead to me. And I know the horoscope people are going now. Which month you born? February, man. Pisces. Straight up. You see me? Yeah, man, I love and check for you. But you see, as soon as I take me for you that, I cut you off, man. You didn't even remember, say me didn't, when we pass up on the road, you didn't even know, say me didn't know you. That's some things set. But we don't want to end this on a negative note, you know, we want to end it on a positive note. So, if you're into knowledge about Jamaica, Canada, and you just building yourself on a whole. That's what this channel will be all about. If you're into exploration, I'm going to put vlogs here and there as I'm set on, but that will not be the main focus. My family will not be the main focus of the channel. So when you see me, because majority of the time, me is a loner. Me enjoy my own company. You see me? Yes, I have a family, but me also I am an individual. You see me? So I enjoy being by myself. So many times when I say, so where the family there? If you don't see the family, you're not, no. I can enjoy myself with and without my family, with and without friends. You see me? So I don't want to be a channel being a family channel. And then when you see me alone most of the time, when I say what I go on. Remember, you know, this is my channel, this is something I want to do. I just introduce my family to now and I just love a vibe. As I say, I am bigger than my family and I am bigger than myself. The information I have to share, it come like it a drive me crazy. I need to let it out. And I let it out sometimes through my vlogs them, but then get lost. If I talk about my toenail, I have to put in a title, talk about my toenail, and when I click on it, you know, say I go always, if you have a problem with your toenail, you're see coming where I search a problem with your toenail. Because I feel like headache and I go up on Google, I type in, what are the symptoms of diarrhea or a headache? Google tell me. So you come on YouTube, you type in, how to grow a nice beard, you're going to see me pop up. But if you type in how to grow a nice beard, I'm going to say how to grow a nice beard now on vlog, you're not going to see me. I might get some vital information, for example. So that's why I say the channel is now called Adrian Morris. So big up to all of my day one then. You see me? There's a thing passing by. So I want to say big up to all of my day one people and subscribe. You know what? I'm my day one. I am the first person to subscribe and it may sound narcissistic. But the lesson to take away is love yourself. I mean, first subscribe to Morris Time Cooking, you know, because I have a different email, you know. I subscribe to my channel, Morris Time Cooking. I'm a first subscriber. I'm a first subscriber to this channel when it was called GAM TV, the Morris Time TV, the Morris Time family. And now, Adrian Morris. So, big up all of the people who subscribe from the thing named GAM TV until now. And big up all of the people who decide, you know, I don't want to be a part of this channel anymore. And then the part, God enough love for love, same way. And big up everybody who are going to subscribe based off of this video. and future videos to come. And this is basically the welcome to the channel. You see what I say? Welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian Morris. You're watching Adrian Morris YouTube channel. So once again, thank you very much for watching. See, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. You have